your in-command display looks unorganized or unlabeled, you may be missing the correct floor plan file. You'll typically notice generic group labels like Group 1, 2, 3, and 4, or slides labeled just 1 through 5. You might also see icons for features you don't have, like a generator, a hitch, or leveling jacks. To check this, go to Settings, scroll down to Software, and tap Floor Plan. If it says Default Floor Plan, that means the display is using a generic setup. You'll want to load the correct floor plan for your specific RV make and model. This tells the display exactly which features to show and label appropriately. From the home screen, go to Settings, scroll to Floor Plan, then tap Reset. Choose OEM, and confirm. If the correct floor plan is stored on the display, everything will update automatically, removing unused icons and restoring the proper labels. Now, when you open lights, you'll see accurate labels. The same goes for slides, only the correct ones will appear. To verify the changes, go back to Settings, down to Software, and then Floor Plan. You should now see the correct file listed.